I was searching Facebook again, trying to find somebody to help us with our house, to take care of the repairs that we needed from Harvey. When I saw that email, it was like finally a ray of hope. It was kind of like the bright spot after almost 4 months of going through heck.
Extra Space has taken so many stressors off of our plates.
Look at those pink shoes.
A light bar to go in our bathroom that we're not going to have to find. We're going to go get a new washer. She's got a bed at our house now that,
thanks to y'all.
Yeah, that she didn't have. The start of rebuilding our everyday normal instead of our Harvey normal.
So Extra Space came through. I was able to get some things that I needed around the house. Hey, I want some coffee. It was more so for Trendy, just to see the smile on her face. And the things that y'all did for my grandkids, like my grandkids don't even know y'all, but y'all did that. You know, through you all, my grandkids are able to, you know, get some things for Christmas, and it means a lot. It means a whole lot.
Everything.
Best day ever.